When done regularly, these 2 steps will provide a strong foundation in controlling and recovering from type 2 diabetes. Hi, I'm Jazz. In this video, I will show you the first steps that you need to take in order to recover from type 2 diabetes, so stay tuned. I'm a health coach and I have over a decade of experience in supporting people with their health and well-being. I specialise in type 2 diabetes and I created a program for this condition. So once the program was completed, a report was created. At the end of the video, if you look in the description below, you will see a link to that report, so please feel free to have a read. The My Health First program was funded by the National Lottery. This report shows that the remission rate from my program was a huge 10% compared to that of the NHS, which was only 4%, and my program was done in 1/3 of the time. Here at the Wellbeing Club, we're passionate about getting information out to people on what really works. So in this video, we are making the first steps of my program available to you. In the UK, we are spending approximately 10% or £10 billion on the National Health Service budget on treating type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a serious, progressive, chronic condition. Whatever you eat and drink, the body will break it down to produce glucose, i.e. sugar, which then needs to get into our cells to provide us with energy. When the body is consistently not able to do this job, the glucose continues to build up in the blood, causing all kinds of damage to your organs, and you end up with type 2 diabetes. The complications or side effects of type 2 diabetes are very severe indeed, and include blindness, kidney failure, limb amputation, and even a heart attack. However, as you will see from the report, you can put this condition into remission. In other words, reverse it. We look at practical methods which are achievable at home by most people. So today we're going to talk about the first 2 simple steps to get you started and build a foundation from which to control and recover from type 2 diabetes. Are you ready? Step 1. Upon rising, first thing in the morning, drink a pint of lukewarm water. If you can't manage a pint in one go, drink half a pint first and the remainder 15 to 30 minutes later. If you don't like plain water, then squeeze some fresh lemon or lime into the glass for flavour. This step provides a stream of water flowing through your body, hydrating all your cells, stimulating the removal of toxins from the liver and kidneys, and the ejection of waste from the intestines. Just what you need first thing in the morning to keep your bowel movements regular. Okay, step 2. Only break your overnight fast and eat breakfast in the morning when you're actually hungry. Listen out for the hunger signal, for example, your tummy rumbling. Including the overnight fast whilst you were asleep, and by delaying your breakfast, you have automatically given your body enough time to rest, repair, and recover. This gives your body essential time to process the extra glucose in your blood and get it down, which is what we want. When done regularly, these 2 steps will provide a strong foundation in controlling and recovering from type 2 diabetes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please comment below if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.